crew, after being cut off, looks like they're ready to roll. Let's see if that frustrated the captain at all and affects his docking. Sometimes it just takes little things to kind of throw you off your game. We'll see how they fare as they make their approach. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. My man's got a loaded boat. So, are we switching lines? We're trying to figure out what they're doing in the bow. Or are we just getting a line set? Okay, so it looks like... No, I can't tell. Sometimes it's difficult to determine what these people are doing. They've got their line set up on the port side, but Cat looks like he's going for a starboard approach. I thought Our Lady on the back was removing the lines, but she's not. She's just dragging it across. But the current's grabbed him already. They pretty much already missed their shot. So Cap's gonna turn the wheel. And here we go. Finally, somebody on the backside. They're moving this from the left to the right of the vessel. So we're going to stick with that starboard side, which is going to be the tougher side today. Wind and current blowing from right to left across your screens. So he's got plenty of hands on the vessel. Give him the assist. Coming back in. Hard bow in, which is probably the right impression here, but uh-oh. We've got FWC walking down the dock. My man's about to get inspected. He sees FWC on the dock, and he starts to back out. What? He's backing all the way. He's backing all the way out. FWC started walking down the dock, and my man said, "No, I'm good." But I'll tell you what, if you want to for sure get inspected, this is what you do. When you see him walking toward you, leave and be like, "Nah, I'm gonna go to another dock." Bro, there is no way you guys are not getting boarded now. I don't know what he's doing. I think Cap's confused now. He doesn't know where to go. But he can't go there. That's where the rental boats are. He's going to have to turn it around. So Cap's going to make the U-turn. That one is just funny. I think that's the first time I've ever seen somebody do that. I mean, he saw FWC, the Florida wildlife guy, walking down the dock. And typically when that happens, like, one of two things, they're either just going to give you the assist. Maybe he saw him struggling, was just going to offer to grab a line. But more than likely, you're probably getting boarded and inspected. Really, they're not looking for, I mean, they're going to make sure the basics are there, but they also want to make sure you didn't catch any fish that are out of season. And our guy's still standing there, and the look he's giving this boat is precious. Oh my God. Bro, you were for sure getting inspected on this one. So he's coming back over, and Cap still looks questionable on this. Yep, FWC's like, nah, come on, bro. Bring it to this dock. Cap looked like he was second-guessing it again, like, I really don't want to go there, but that's, I believe, his only option right now. And then FWC's just like, yep, bring it around, bro. I hope you guys don't have anything on this boat that's not supposed to be there. I think he's just like, should I go right there? FWC man will give him the assist. We've got somebody on the dock. We're gonna get the push around. And our crew should be good to go from here. They're going to get this one tied up, but they're for sure getting inspected. So our crew went a little premature here. They released the bimini top, but now like we've got people holding it up. It's something else you're going to have to battle as we come in. We've got one person on the dock of the line. Wifey's got the pole, but as you can see, they're trying to hold the bimini up as Captain's going as well. They just pulled the clip a little early on this one. crew is gonna go with the tough one and try and go on the starboard side again. It's weird. We've seen this so many times today. Even with port side approaches available, these guys, everybody's just wanting to show off, I guess, today. Trying to show their skills as they come in here trying to master this docking. So Cab comes in, brake checks out of it. I actually thought he had a decent angle. Sometimes it's tough to tell from where we're standing, but he looked okay. And he's going to back all the way out. He's trying to bring the stern around, but the wind and current's fighting him. He gives it a little throttle, though. And he'll be set back up again. So here we go. We're going to go on our second approach. Trying to power it in this time. A little heavy on the throttle hand. Hits the boat sideways. We're going heavy bowing approach. But he brake checks again, and the second you do that with this, you've lost it. That wind and current will grab you every time. If you try and switch momentum like that, you're just giving it the help it needs. So my guy's going to completely reset this up. Maybe we're going to go try and find a different approach. Reevaluating the situation as he kind of looks up and down the docks. Let the wind and current kind of drag them all the way back to the beginning here, backing toward us. Give it a little throttle, try and swing it back around. But, I mean, you can see there's a port side approach right in front of us. But no, we're going to pass that one. There's another port side approach right here. We're going to pass that one as well. And there's another one just down here before the end. Will we take that one, or are we going to still try and fight this starboard? So Cap's lining it up. Got his angle he wants. It looks like he's bound and determined. We're going to fight the wind and current. He's got it. He wants to get it done this side. No. Are we going to switch it up? Yep. Looks at his buddy and says, yeah, this is the approach. Finally gets it. And that should be good for them there, and they'll be able to get this one put up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.